Hello there. Are you overwhelmed by the different payment plans available in the market to purchase your dream property? Well, there are several payment plans. They can be simple, transparent, and tailored according to your needs. Come with me, let's demystify payment plans. In the first place, we have installment plan. This is whereby a deposit is required to reserve a unit for you, and then the remaining amount is spread across a specific timeline, allowing you to complete the payment without feeling pressure. The second payment plan is called rent to own. This is whereby you rent a property with the intention of purchasing it at a predetermined price over a certain period of time. Well, this is important because it allows you to test the waters before you commit yourself to that property. The third payment plan is mortgage financing. This is whereby you secure a loan to cover upfront costs with repayment terms tailored according to your financial situations. Most people go to the bank or circles. Either way, it still serves the same purpose. You can find the payment plan for you by understanding your options and working with professionals. Do not let this hold you back. Contact us today and let us talk about the different payment plans that we have for you.
We mark properties, credible luxury.